I love you. I love you like dust loves sunsets when anticipation sets over my shoulder for your touch when you arrive. Like midnight loves moonlight because in the darkness of your eyes I find the stars that plot my happiness. I love you like gardeners love manure because you're the only one who can put up with my crap and still make this relationship grow. I love you like February loves the 14th, like forgotten slaves love Juneteenth. I love you like I love my best friend. I love you to completion like the beginning loves the end, like dry hair loves split ends. Because when our love runs dry, then splitting up is the only way we can begin again. I love you like bedtime loves prayers, because on my knees is the only way to give God thanks for being next to you. I love you the way fingers love to send text messages, because the instantaneous response of your skin to my touch is why I can't help but stay next to you. I love you like magnets love refrigerators because the attraction of your will and determination is why I can't help but connect with you. I love you. I love you like my heart loves its beat, like summer days of 100-degree heat, like arrested development loves speech, hoping you can Dion Ferris my insecurities away and your melody of wisdom can fill in where I have nothing left to say. I love you like Kool-Aid loves sugar, sweet like the kisses you give to me. I love you like my grandfather loves his grill. So I flip these words across the lines on these pages like some ribs, hoping you can savor every love poem that I have to give. I love you like white sands on Carolina blue beaches. I bite into the fruit of your labor to find what commitment tastes like, so I love you like the juice down your lips from some country-grown peaches. The way nature loves the four seasons, the way revolutionaries love freedom. I don't know why I love you, but it's a real good reason. I just love you. I love you the way hippies love Whole Foods. I love growing organically, and I know it costs more, but I've had fast food and lust is unhealthy. I love you like peanut butter loves jelly, because I have preserved the hope that I would find someone like you, and now I have you, your buttery brown skin and that white dress like two pieces of white bread. Let's walk down this aisle and promise each other forever. I love you like poor folks love tax returns, because I have been taxed in every relationship that is not you, so I filed this 1040 hoping that it's easy for you to refund to me the prayers I've been giving to God that I would find you. I love you like heathens love Saturday night at the club, but still make it the Sunday morning sermon, because when I look into your eyes, tear-stained and glassed over, any potential indiscretion makes me feel guilty and nervous. I love you the way babies love their mother's breast, because you fill me with emotions that sustain my being. Like we take for granted the ability of seeing, and blind people love daydreams, and I never fully appreciate you till you're no longer in my sight. I love you like wind loves a kite, because your words have my spirit flying high, so a conversation with you is how I want to begin every morning and end every night. I love you like I love myself. I love you like I love no one else. I love you like a baby loves his first breath. Like a body loves death when there's no breath left, and it feels like death when there's no you left. And since there's no poem left, then with my last breath, I say, I love you.